Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And right now I will be reacting to a song which has been requested on and off in my comment section. And apparently I have been told that this is like a huge hit right now. And this song is called Adi Poli. And this came, I'm actually reacting to it like pretty late because this came last month and it has already it's almost reached 19 million views as of today. So this has been performed by two singers, Vineet Srinivasan and Shivangi K. These are the two playback singers, like whatever is written in the description. And music and direction by Sidhu Kumar and lyrics by Vignesh Ramakrishna. So this song is a Tamil song, that's what I have been told, but Adi Poli is a Malayalam word which means like superb, awesome. So I don't know what that is. Okay, maybe I'm confused. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comment section. So yes, let's not just delay this any further. Let's react to this song right away. Okay. Let's see what the hype is that why it became a viral hit. Okay. Here we go. I don't know English auto-generated, so this doesn't have the subtitles. So I'll just vibe to the song. Okay. Yes, headphones.
ഈ ലോകത്തില് ഒരു ആണ് ഒരു പെണ്ണുമേലെ കൊണ്ട് പ്രേമത്തിക്കാக ജാതി മാറി.
Starring, wait, okay, those are the actors. Let me just see the actor names also. Acha, okay, Ashwin and Khushi. Okay.
ജാതി മാറി, മതം മാറി, പക്ഷേ ഞാൻ ഒമിനെ
Adi Poli.
ഞാൻ കേട്ടേ മാറി.
മനെ ഓ മനെ വാ ഓ മനെ നന്നെ നന്ദനെ ഓ മമനെ കേടി കില്ലാടി റൗഡി നനെ നിസമർച്ച നാലാലേട്ടനെ ഓനോ സാരിയ കട്ടി മയ്യ വെച്ച് സ്ലോ മോബിൽ വந்தாളെ ആരോമലേ മാമ പൊണ്ണെല്ലാം വേണ சொன்ன പെണ്ണെ ഇഷ്ടം നീ തന്നെ
Oh! There's a beat drop!
Mane o mane va o mane nane nandane o mamane kedi gilladi rowdy nane misa murcha nalaletane.
This guy is charming. Ashwin.
അശ്വിൻ എപ്പോഴാ എത്തിയേ?
இப்பதான் அங்கிள்
അതിരിക്കട്ടെ, മോ സദ്യ കഴിച്ചായിരുന്നോ?
நானும் உங்ககிட்ட பையன் தானே.
ആദ്യം ഭക്ഷണം കഴിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, ആ
Okay,
കഴിച്ചിട്ട്
okay.
പോവാം.
Dance
ബാക്കിയെല്ലാം പിന്നെ
festival.
സംസാരിക്കാം. കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ എനിക്കറിയാം.
നെഞ്ചോട് ഉന ചേർത്ത് ഇറുക്കി അണച്ച് ഒരു മുത്തം വെപ്പേണ്ടി നെയ്യപ്പോ ഇനി പാനി നാക്കുക്കുള്ളാര തിത്തിക്ക് റെഡി சந்தனத்தை தொட்டு தொட்டு நெத்தியில குட்டி பொட்டு வச்சு புட்டு வந்தா பட்டு வேகமாச்சு லப்பு டப்பு சுட சுட நெய் போட்டு கட்ட போற புள்ளு கட்டு கழுத்துல தாலி கட்டி கூட்டி போவேனே.
Nice.
நினைச்சு தினமோ சிரிச்சு ஜிமிக்கி நடுவா ஒரு நாள் ஒழிச்சு கடைசி வரைக்கும் சதா வருவேன்.
This beat drop is insane!
மானே ஓ மானே வா மாமனே நானே நான் தானே ஓ மனே தேடி கில்லாடி ராடி மனே மீச முர்ச்சா நீலாலேட்டனே.
ஐயோ
Oh no, dad is here.
കൊള്ളാം.
என்னடா
ஓகேன்றாருப்பா.
அடி 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 கொலே அடி கொலே அடி 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 கொலே.
Ooh. Got over really quickly, huh? Na 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 na. Oh, I can totally understand. This is really like the beat drop is like insane. Let me stop this. It's like one full party song. Though it looked like Onam celebrations to me. So, okay. I don't know what the context is. Looks like this is from a movie, but this is in the website, like in the channel Think Music India. So, okay. I don't know the context, but still, if anybody knows the context of the song, do let me know, because of course, lyric wise, I cannot comment anything because I don't know the meaning of the lyrics. The only thing I understood was Adipoli, of course, because that's the word that I know. Then Rowdy was one word which I understood, and then I heard Lalita. So these are the three words in the whole of the song that I understood. But the vibe is so dancey and upbeat, and I can totally understand this going completely viral in the reels, especially that beat drop. Okay, where so I'm guessing from the visuals, what I understood is that the guy comes, of course, slow-mo and all of that in the car, and he's trying to impress the girl. Not really impress the girl is already impressed, but this looked more like, you know, him trying to create a good impression in front of the girl's father, the woman's father. So that's what it looks like, and at the end the dad is like, I like you, dude, I like you, approved. Double thumbs up from my end. So approved. You're approved for my daughter. That's what it looked like. And this kind of song, it's like a celebration song. Also, it's a song that you can play in weddings, you can play in the clubs and pubs and just dance the night away. This is, though I completely understand why this has gone viral, because the energy, the beautiful, like both the actors, Khushi and Ashwin, they also did complete justice because they were so energetic. Their expressions are so beautiful, and their chemistry, that little romance that is happening on screen, that also looks nice. Second is definitely the music, which is done with Siddhu Kumar. So Siddhu Kumar is the music director. I love that because it slows down at the beginning and then suddenly there is a beat drop. So the build up is really nice because when the beat drop happens, you just completely, like, your energy completely spikes up. So that's what I really liked about the song, that pre-chorus, then when the chorus beat drop happens, it's really nice, and then the second verse starts again, you know, you get a mellow beat there, and then suddenly the energy. So I think there is, like, up and down. It's like the energy is just completely oscillating. That's nice. Third are the playback singers. I really like the female playback singer's voice, even the male, but I don't know, the female playback singer was, I don't know, somehow her voice is reminding me of another playback singer. I don't recall her name, but I really like how, like, it was so, what is the word I should use? I don't want to use a wrong word to describe, like a wrong adjective to describe her singing, but it's like sugary sweet. It's like honey. If that's a good analogy. Okay, I'm horrible at analogies. But this guy also, Vineet, such a strong voice he has. I loved his voice, especially na 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 na. That line that he sang, that was so cool. Both of their voices blended really well. It complemented well. And somehow, I don't know why, the playback singers with the actor, like the actor was lip syncing, it just went with their personality for some reason. So I really like that. Even though I don't know the only thing which, of course, I don't understand are the lyrics, because it didn't have the subtitle. It just said auto-generated. So that is sad. I'm sad for that. But it's okay. I don't mind. I am just happy to have enjoyed the song completely. I'm just happy for that. And yes, na 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 na. Let's just, describe the hook step also, which is like na 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 na. So this is this thing going viral? Is this step going viral? Let me know in the comments. So yes, that was the reaction to Ardeep Poli, which has been sung by Vineet Srinivasan and Shivangi, both amazing singers. I loved their playback vocals. Both the actors also acted really well, and of course the music director, who is Sidhu Kumar. For the lyrics, lyrics have been written by Vignesh Ramakrishna, though like I said again, I don't know the meaning, so I really cannot comment on that. So yes, that is the reaction for today. Oh, before I sign off, I definitely want to wait. How can I not talk about choreographer? Om Prakash. So Om Prakash and no, sorry, Om Prakash is the cinematographer. Choreographer is Sheriff. I'm really sorry, I messed that up. Choreographer is Sheriff. Choreography makes a big difference on how the song sort of looks visually. So yes, fantastic job, fantastic job. So yes, that was the video for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video and have come till the end. And yes, I will be signing off now, and I will see you soon now on my next video. Bye bye.